Using Lunar Abroad is one of the smartest ways to manage your money while traveling or living internationally. Lunar offers seamless currency conversion and minimal fees, making it a top choice for travelers who want full control over their finances without worrying about hidden charges. When you take your Lunar card abroad, transactions in foreign currencies are automatically converted at competitive rates, typically close to the real market rate. This saves you significant money compared to traditional banks, which often charge high foreign transaction fees. Before traveling, ensure your Lunar app is fully updated and that your account is verified. Load your account with enough funds in dollars or euros depending on your destination. Lunar allows you to hold multiple currencies, so you can switch between them without extra conversion fees. This is particularly useful when visiting multiple countries, as you can spend directly in the local currency without paying unnecessary conversion charges. Using your Lunar card abroad is straightforward. Contactless payments are accepted worldwide, and ATMs can be used to withdraw cash when necessary. Keep in mind that some ATMs may charge a local fee, but Lunar does not add extra charges on top of that. Always enable travel mode in the Lunar app before leaving your home country. This ensures smooth transactions and reduces the chance of your card being blocked for security reasons. Monitoring your spending in real time through the Lunar app is crucial. The app provides detailed insights into every transaction, currency conversions, and any fees applied. You can set limits, receive instant notifications, and manage your funds efficiently, ensuring you stay within budget while abroad. Lunar also provides strong security features, allowing you to freeze your card instantly if it is lost or stolen. For anyone traveling, working, or living abroad, using Lunar is a cost-effective, secure, and flexible way to manage money internationally without hidden fees or complicated setups.